Start recording. Hey, how's everybody doing? Well, it's another day, another time to get ready on this book here. So I've got some paper and pencils ready, and I'm doing it up a little different. I've set up OBS so that I can just kind of switch and transition scenes, and hopefully this will be a little nicer. And I'm just going to record this and not stream it, and then upload it, so that I'm going to kind of do my editing on the fly by changing my camera angles. So if I have to look over, I might have to look away from the camera or something and not be completely engaged, I guess, if that's a word, in order to do this. So, but I think in the end it's going to be the way to go. So thanks for watching, and what I'm doing today is coloring a page with watercolor pencils, and I'm using these Caran D'ache super color pencils. They're really nice. If you get a chance to use them, I highly recommend them. Lots of really good color play out. Yeah, I like them, so try them out if you get a chance to. So, I've been working on a graphic novel for a while now, and I'm at the coloring stage of a bunch of pages, and I'm getting through those before I start writing again. And so this is a fun page to color. It's one that I've done before and with other media. It's my first time with the colored pencil, watercolor pencils, trying it out. So I'll just get on it here. So I'm going to change up my camera. But unfortunately, you can't see what I'm doing. That's the only problem with that. And that would be something I think that would be really nice, is that you could actually see what I'm doing. So yeah, but I think this is the way to go as far as making a video and trying to keep it interesting, so that I'm changing up the angles and stuff, but also making it a bit easier to edit. So I could just post this and without doing a lot of editing, and it'd be all right. Maybe just slap some titles on it, and you know. So I hope that you enjoyed this little video. It's just it's just the things that I'm doing here. Anyway, feel free to comment or ask me any questions, or if you have any tips, tricks, whatever. Hey, I'd love to hear those too. So have a good day, everybody. I'll still be doing some streaming. I'm not giving up on streaming, but I need to have some just normal videos too. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day, and see you. Bye.